Okay, guys, this is Purple Yoshi here. I am Blue Yoshi's brother, and he said that he saw something scary in this house. I'm just looking around. I don't see anything. What's that noise? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna check in with you tomorrow, okay? I'm going to sleep. Okay, guys. I'm back. Hold on. Do you see anything scary anywhere? Whoa, what hit me? He's stunned.
It's me again. Hello. It's me again. You want to see me? I'll give you a fight.
It's gonna be a fight to the death. Let's go. But that hurts. Ow, you're made out of metal. That hurts. That hurts a lot. You're made out of metal, and I'm not. So that hurt a lot. Anyway, scratch. My eye. This happened to Mario. This happened to Mario. Ow. This happened to Mario. If I kick you off the edge, you're done for. That's the end of this video.